You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. Today we're switching it up with a real story from a family who moved from Colorado to Provence in 2024 and how SDC International Shipping made it happen. Meet the Carters, Tom and Laura, both 42, and their kids, Maya, 12, and Ethan, 9. Tom is a graphic designer and Laura's a nurse, and they'd fallen for France when they went on a trip. Sunlit villages, fresh markets, the whole deal. We wanted a slower pace and better schools, Laura said. And Tom's remote job meant really we could go anywhere. France is topping American relocation lists in 2025, and the Carters show you why it works. Tom's remote gig qualified him for the long-stay visitor visa. He had more than £1,800 monthly income, so no local job was needed, while Laura and the kids joined as dependents. By spring of 2024, they were packing up their Denver home, aiming for a rental in Provence. Moving a family of 4 across the Atlantic, that was daunting. They had furniture, Mia had a piano, Ethan had a skateboard, and they even wanted to ship their car. We were clueless about customs, Tom admitted. EU rules, shipping costs, all of that was so overwhelming. But then they found SDC International Shipping online. That team was a godsend, Laura said. They explained shared versus full containers. We went with full, a 40-footer, since we had so much. SDC's crew packed their home, Ethan's toys, Laura's kitchen gear, even fragile art, professionally wrapped and loaded. The car, which was a hybrid SUV, got its own container, prepped at SDC's warehouse with EU compliance sorted. No headache for Tom. Shipping took 7 weeks by sea. It was affordable, about $6,000 total, and SDC's French partners delivered everything to their new stone house. Unpacking Maya's piano, that first day, Laura said, it felt real. Now, Tom works from a sunlit study. Laura's training for a French nursing certificate, and the kids love their school. Small, bilingual, with field trips to castles. France is home now, Tom said, and SDC got us here without a hitch. Their story is a roadmap. Visa first, then lean on pros like SDC. Next time, we're talking kids and relocation. But for now, think about your move. SDC International Shipping has been relocating Americans to France for years. Custom quotes, expert packing, seamless delivery. Check out our website and start living your French dream. We'll see you on the next episode.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.